Abortion is always a hot topic, and there is always someone who wants to discuss it. 50% of United States population thinks that abortion should be legal. However, each state has their own laws regarding abortion. 27 states has at least 4 types of abortion restrictions, and only 13 are supportive to abortion. The first time abortion were banned was in the mid 1800th century, and even then the laws was varied between the states. In 1910 it became legal in all states to have abortion if the woman's life was in danger. 1973, the Supreme Court decided that Americans should have the right to decide by themselves if they want to have children. The reason that the Supreme Court amended the law was because of Jane Roe, a 21-year-old pregnant woman. She fought for her rights to decide if she should have her baby or not. The case is known as Roe versus Wade. There is no statistics of abortion before the case Roe versus Wade, but there may be as many as 1.2 million abortions per year. The next high-profile court cases that came to play a major role in American abortion debate was Planned Parenthood versus Casey in 1992. The case was tried and supports Roe versus Wade into a proposal of abortion, but also gave each of the states opportunity to own regulations regarding abortions. This case is not as well known as case Roe versus Wade, but this raises far more important aspects. Between 2008 and 2011, the statistics shows that abortion decreased with 13%. Is this because the abortion actually decreased, or is it because women had to do abortion illegal? I don't think abortion will have decreased. I think the women does it illegally instead. USA have taken a big step back for women's safety. Once again, women need to go to doctors who maybe don't have the education to do an abortion, and if something goes wrong, they don't have the opportunity to apply for insurance money. And it also contributes the class society, since women with a higher income have the opportunity to go to another state that allow abortion, and which with that reduce the risk of complication. 1973 took USA a big step for women's rights when the case Roe versus Wade decided that women have to have the right to decide themselves if they should do an abortion or not. I think the right to decide over your own body should be obvious. 2014, do USA have the medical knowledge to perform safe abortions, and they should offer that to the citizens. Abortion will not reduce, I think. Laws regulating abortions will only lead to dangerous and risky engagement. I'm thinking about why some states have more strict rules about abortion and some don't. I think the religion is a big influence to this kind of laws. I think you can see a connection between states that have strict laws about abortions and the states that have many religious practitioners. The two big religions in the world, Christianity and Islam, their opinion is that if you do an abortion, you also kill a human being. I can agree in some point, but should we really put children into this world if the parents don't have the money or capacity to take care of the baby? I think it's better for the whole community if the young ones have parents that is committed. Today, USA have a very segregated society. I think the stricter laws make the society even more segregated, since the mothers that is from the subclass have to keep the baby and get more cost or do risky and illegal abortion. To summarize, the first famous case, Roe versus Wade, was important for American women. But the case Planned Parenthood versus Casey was a step backwards when the states were given the opportunity to settle the law on abortion.